and welcome to the House of Parker. In today's video, I am going to be deep cleaning and reorganizing my refrigerator and freezer. And as you can tell, it is a huge mess. This has been put off way too long and a little embarrassed because it was pretty gross. Also, this is a collaborative video and I'm so excited about that because it is my very first one and it is with my very own son. And I will let him introduce his channel and you get a chance to get to know him. All right, so this is the before and I hope you enjoy.
Hi, I'm Scottvordem. You may know me as Son from her videos. But what if I told you I also have my own channel called Scottvordem, where I do Let's Plays on various games I think are interesting or fun.
I'm hearing voices.
Toilet paper. The toilet paper absolutely sucks.
Alright, let's climb back up. Here's that weird music again. That's actually pretty awesome.
I make music occasionally. I make how-tos.
Making a silly little video here of me switching controller drivers. I want to make a video about this because I don't use a normal method for a controller. I use a PlayStation 3 controller and there's absolutely no drivers for this. It's not a PlayStation 4 controller where you just plug it in and it works.
And then on the tabs up here, go to levels, and you may notice that the playback control is set to 100. You want to turn this down.
And I do vlogs. And I may even do more sometime in the future. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, or interested in me in general, come swing by my channel and take a look. I also do some audio editing. I even remastered the audio for Thief Gold, if you're familiar with that game. So yeah, come swing by. I think we'll have a fun time.
Okay, so head on over to his channel and show him some love. All right, so here we go. Enjoy. I was checking expiration dates and then putting things into categories, and so now I'm going to clean out the refrigerator with my favorite method, cleaner. And you're going to see what a mess it was. And I didn't take out the shelves or the drawers because of the space there with my refrigerator. As you can see, there's that wall prevents the door from opening all the way. So it's very difficult to get everything out and put it back in and get it cleaned. So I'm just going to make do with what I have and just get in there and get it cleaned out. Pretty gross in there. Yucky. And I didn't want to leave everything out too long on the counters. So I'm going to do it in sections, and it's just easier that way for me. But yeah, see, it's pretty gross. Yucky. Yeah, it's been a while since it's been cleaned out. It is time. It is time. All right, and so now you're going to see that everything I had pulled out is on the countertops. It's kind of in categories, kind of not, but makes sense to me. And I'm just going to go through and check expiration dates as I am trying to get things into order. But that's a lot of stuff that was crammed in there. Good grief. Wow. Now it is on to the organization part of this video. I had bought all these containers a while back from Amazon, but it did take a while for them to come in, so I did have to wait for these to come in because I was going to include it in my deep cleaning kitchen video, but they didn't arrive in time. So, right, so now we're just going to organize the contents of the fridge and get it all nice and pretty. So after all that hard work, it's time to crack open a cold one. All kidding aside, time to stay hydrated. So that is it for the refrigerator. I have my Canadian bacon here and just random stuff that we can just grab. And these are my husband's lunches from freshly leftovers, and then my string cheese, yogurt, and I love how the milk looks in the milk glass bottles. And there's some orange juice back there. I wiped off the condiments and now they're in here. That way we can see what we have. This is the veggie drawer. Sorry. Eat the rainbow, it's good for you. And then here's some fruits. Eat the rainbow, it's good for you. So I don't have a butter dish, so I just improvised. Those things that wouldn't fit in a plastic container. Drinks are in the door. Just because you have space doesn't mean you need to fill it. But everybody needs to see what we have, and they can just grab and go. Right, this isn't too bad. I just don't know what's in here. And I did spill about a half a bag of those frozen blueberries the other day, so those are in there somewhere, and I got to get that cleaned out. So it just needs to be wiped down. Not a lot going on in here, so this shouldn't be too bad, and it shouldn't take me very long. Looks like I need to do some grocery shopping. I need to get more of these from the Dollar Tree. They just had the 2. I need 1 more for the chicken. This was too big to fit in the bin. And I put the frozen veggies in here. And that's going to be for beef. And that's going to be for chicken. This is just for chicken nuggets. And chicken meatballs. And, oh, chicken meatballs are there. Well, I already mixed it up. Oh, well. I did wipe this off, but I just didn't film it. But I have egg whites in the morning with breakfast. And then butter freezes really well. And that's for all of our aches and pains. Right, not spectacular, but it looks much, 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 much better. So, and it smells better in here, and I know that it's clean. And my refrigerator is not perfect. It is actually about 9 years old. But like I said, because of where the refrigerator is supposed to go, I don't have a lot of room. So it is what it is. All right, now I'm just going to wipe off the front of this, and we are done in the kitchen.
We need more food.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to stop by Scottvordem's channel and give him a big thumbs up. All right, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave in the comments down below. Give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. All right, I'll see you in the next one.